If you're over 65, joint pain can be a daily struggle. Did you know that what you eat can make a big difference? Welcome. We're here to talk about your joints. Focusing on diet is a powerful step towards feeling better and improving mobility. Joint pain is incredibly common as we age, often caused by inflammation and wear and tear. But we can mitigate some of this with simple changes. Your diet plays a critical role in managing inflammation, the root cause of much joint discomfort. Certain foods can act as fuel for inflammation. Today we're focusing on 3 common foods that can be major culprits, increasing inflammation and worsening your joint pain. First up, sugary drinks and highly processed snacks. These items are often loaded with refined sugars and unhealthy fats. High sugar intake triggers the release of inflammatory messengers, which can exacerbate existing joint pain and accelerate the breakdown of cartilage. Think sodas, flavored juices, candies, and many baked goods. Check those labels for hidden sugars. Instead of sugary drinks, opt for water, herbal teas, or water infused with natural fruits. For snacks, reach for fresh fruit or nuts. Next, let's talk about red and processed meats. While protein is essential, the type of protein matters for joint health. Studies suggest that compounds in these meats, such as saturated fats and advanced glycation end products, increase inflammatory markers in the body. This includes cuts of beef, lamb, and processed meats, like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs, which are often high in sodium and preservatives. Switch to lean sources like fish rich in omega-3s, poultry, or explore plant-based proteins like beans and lentils, which have anti-inflammatory benefits. Finally, excessive alcohol consumption. While a small amount might be fine, overindulging can severely impact your joint health. Alcohol can interfere with inflammatory pathways and strain your liver, indirectly leading to increased systemic inflammation that affects your joints. For conditions like gout, alcohol, especially beer and hard liquor, is a known trigger for painful flares due to high purine content. If you choose to drink, keep it moderate. Better yet, swap alcoholic beverages for refreshing non-alcoholic alternatives like sparkling water or mocktails. Making these dietary adjustments is a proactive step toward managing your joint pain and enjoying a more comfortable life over 65. Remember the 3 foods to limit or avoid: sugary and processed foods, red and processed meats, and excessive alcohol. Shift your diet toward anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains to soothe your joints. Always consult your doctor or a registered nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Thank you for watching.